Arrive in style with this 2007 Hyundai Tiburon GS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, MP3 player, AC, and power windows. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.